Chicago University says it can't confirm President Tinubu's certificate submitted to INEC. The alleged certificate scandal of President Bola Tinubu witnessed another dimension when the Chicago State University refused to authenticate the certificate Tinubu submitted to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, before the February 25 presidential elections. Meanwhile, the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois has adjourned the ruling on a subpoena application for Nigerian President Bola Tinubu's record from the Chicago State University. The adjournment came on Tuesday after the Chicago State University claimed it was not in a position to confirm the exact certificate Tinubu submitted to Nigeria Independent Electoral Commission, INEC, to run for office. While speaking before Judge Jeffrey Gilbert in Chicago, counsel for the Chicago State University, Michael Hayes, declared that the school was not in a position to authenticate Tinubu's certificate as either fake or genuine. The recent statement, however, contradicted the school's previous assertions that it issued a certificate to the Nigerian politician after he graduated in 1979. At a hearing in the lawsuit brought by Atiku Abubakar, candidate of the People's Democratic Party, which lasted several hours, counsel for the Chicago State University, Michael Hayes, stated, "Is the diploma authentic or is it a forgery? My client can't answer yes to either of those questions." The lawyer insisted that the school's administrators, if asked under oath, won't be able to certify Tinubu's certificate because they just don't know where he obtained it or how. Hayes was responding to the judge's inquiry into the school's ability to confirm under oath that Tinubu was issued the certificate he tendered to Nigeria's electoral office as part of his final eligibility paperwork in June 2022. He insisted that the Chicago State University record showed Tinubu attended the school, but admitted there were several contradictions that the school's administrators won't be able to clarify under oath. Those discrepancies included the June 22, 1977 date that Tinubu's certificate carried, the school's president at the time the certificate was obtained, and typographical, font and header errors on the document. Tinubu on June 17, 2022, submitted a certificate to INEC that was purportedly issued in 1979 and signed by Elnora Daniel. But Ms. Daniel only arrived at CSU in 1998 from Hampton University, 19 years after Mr. Tinubu was said to have graduated. She left the school in 2008 following a financial mismanagement scandal before June 2022 when the Chicago State University issued a fresh certificate in Tinubu's name under subpoena from a Nigerian lawyer who had inquired about Mr. Tinubu's education at the school. The contradictions, amongst others, caused Nigeria's former Vice President Atiku Abubakar to file the suit to compel the Chicago State University to produce records relating to Tinubu and make its top officials available for deposition to certify the produced documents. Alexander de Gramont, who appeared in court for Abubakar, said the document and depositions were being sought for use in the Nigerian Supreme Court, where the final battle over Tinubu's election has headed. Judge Gilbert said the court has always taken a liberal and broad view in granting similar requests under Section 1782, a statute that allows the release of documents and evidence domiciled in the U.S. to be obtained and used in a foreign proceeding. Judge Gilbert said he would need additional time to reflect before ruling on the matter, but asked lawyers to all the parties to go through records submitted before the court and update them if necessary in the meantime. The judge says a date for a final ruling or additional hearing will be communicated to the parties. Meanwhile, Atiku has until September 20 to appeal the September 6 decision of the Court of Appeal, which is the first instance court in the presidential election tribunal process in Nigeria.